Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials: a controller, a display, and an IDE. First, connect the display to the board using appropriate pins. Reference SDA/SCL for I2C or TX/RX for serial. Once powered, open the IDE and install the time and display libraries so you can fetch and render time easily. Make sure to set the correct time zone in code now, because later fixes are annoying. Finally, upload a simple blink or hello display sketch to confirm communications before now you implement the core, get the current time, and render it. If online, initialize NTP and sync, otherwise read an RTC module and calibrate. Once you have seconds, format the string to HH, MM, SS and choose 12 or 24-hour display. Then write a loop that checks elapsed milliseconds and updates the display every half to 1 second. You do this to balance smoothness with resource use. Also, minimize full-screen redraws so the display doesn't flicker and the CPU stays responsive. Finish by polishing features. Add brightness or ambient sensing, implement daylight saving and time zone offset handling, and expose a simple settings interface. Once done, test continuous operation for several hours to confirm stability. If you see drift or wrong time, check network connectivity and NTP intervals, then inspect the RTC battery voltage or replace the battery if present. Make sure to log sync attempts to serial so you can diagnose failed updates quickly and fix the root cause instead of chasing symptoms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.